What did science give you?
What did science give me? Science gave me a career, a lifelong excitement about things, a sort of body of knowledge that for which I've had a lifelong indispensable partner, my wife, who's accompanied me on most of my travel, and it's given me a great enjoyment of life, and 3 great children and 3 great grandchildren.
Which conclusions from the balance of your life?
I would say the conclusions are enjoy life, try to keep life enjoyable as you go through it, try to be excited about things, be enthusiastic, be creative, take risks, be expansive, have a good time.
Is there anything that you regret?
Anything I regret? Oh, there are many things that I regret. I've made lots of mistakes along the way, and you just try to right those. You try to compensate for those by apologizing to the people that you may have offended or wronged, and just try to be understanding and compassionate, not only with other people and societies, but with yourself.
What is the most important thing in life?
The most important thing in life is having a great family and enjoying watching them go through life themselves.
Thank you very much, Eldridge.
Thank you.
And now let's go and enjoy the talk of your dear friend Dickinson.
Okay, thank you. We'll do that. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for the opportunity.